So hi everybody. In this video we have mentioned the list which is already of course given in the notification, but few years are been missing side by the Bare Acts. So just to avoid the confusion between it, we are just giving the list again. So this is the new syllabus subject for the Telangana JCJ, which is already been given in 2023 and now this year 2024. So the list of subjects goes hereby along with the year. So, Sale of Goods Act 1930, Commercial Codes and Commercial Division and Commercial Appellate Division of High Codes Act 2015, Legal Service Authority Act 1987, Telangana Building, Lease, Rent and Eviction Control 1960, Telangana Prohibition Act 1995, Forest Laws Acts of Telangana 1967 and Wildlife Protection Act 1972, Mental Health Care Act 2017, Immoral Traffic Prevention Act 1956, Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967, Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act 1956 and Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act 1956. So these are the Bare Acts you need to buy for your Telangana screening test. So start your preparation early. And in the previous year, in 2023 paper, there are a lot of questions regarding the constitution also, which is not given in the notification under the new added syllabus. But still prepare for the constitution also, because there are a lot of more MCQs in the year 2023. So you need to look into all these Bare Acts, mark the important sections, try to revise before your exam at least 2 times, mark all the important sections, write a short notes on everything which you feel important, and try to do few online multiple choices or the materials which have been given by our Lowell. It will be releasing soon, so you can buy them online and you can write a mail to us so that we'll send you the PDF materials for the practice also. And in the coming video you will be also getting a few introduction and an overview of all these particular subjects. So what is all about and how many sections are there, what are the chapters, or what are the amendments, or what is the object of the subject. So these will be coming in the new video. And we are also planning to give you a previous year screening, which is JCJ Telangana 2023 paper explanation. So you can have a glimpse of it overall, as to how the previous year paper has given, and as to how the MCQs from the constitution are also given. So stay tuned, and if you are not yet subscribed, do subscribe and share the video for everyone, those who are struggling to prepare for this new syllabus. So we are planning to move on with a lot of more videos on the same. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.